Hello you guys, I'm Skyla. I'm an artist and a graphic designer, and creating art is one of my biggest passions in life. So I want to share that with you guys, and in this class we're going to create a black and white flower on the iPad in Procreate, and we're going to focus on creating the shading for this flower as well. This is the flower we will be creating, and in this class I will be teaching you how to use the different layers in Procreate to create shading for this black and white floral. I will also be showing you how to find a good reference photo using Pinterest, or you can use a site like Unsplash, which has lots of images you can use for commercial use as well.